post office. We priority mail ourselves to Grouse's house. 2 business days later, we arrive. He opens the package. Smoke bombs, smoke bombs, smoke bombs. You release the spiders, cut the power, ring the doorbell, and run.
If we cut the power, will the doorbell ring?
It's a prank war, Clyde. Not a prank Q&A.
I got a Q. How dumb were you two? I also got the A.
Very.
When it comes to pranks, you don't want to mess with Bud Grouse.
Why?
Can't tell you.
Come on.
Fine. You ever heard of the Day of Pigs?
You mean the Bay of Pigs?
No. Day of Pigs. March 12th, 1963. Grouse released 100 greased pigs into the town hall, and all because the city raised his electric bill by 20 cents. Remember when someone gave the town collective amnesia?
No.
It's because he's the best. If you're gonna go up against Grouse, you're gonna need my help.
Thanks for the offer, Luann, but we got this. Grouse may have been the best back in the day, but there's some new pranksters in town. Let's go, Clyde. Ah! Someone glued our shoes to the floor.
Gross.
You know where to find me.
We still got this, Clyde. Yeah.
Oh, hey, Slither, what's up? Did you hear somebody talk? Because I didn't.
No sound waves detected.
This is about yesterday. We really didn't mean to hurt your feelings when we laughed in our faces. I didn't laugh. I was just surprised because I wasn't expecting to see something that was so cool.
Lie detected. Engaging lasers.
Stand down, Tom. It's okay. Our team is horrible. Everyone spells above their grade level, but when it comes to the intensity of organized athletics, we shrink like a black hole dealing with Hawking radiation. I've canceled our last practice. We'll get crushed tomorrow and our season will mercifully end. Tell your team practice is back on. I'm taking over and you guys aren't going to shrink like that Hawking thing that you were talking about. I'm going to coach your team and you're going to win that game.
Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Grouse must have changed the address.
I thought the truck ride felt long.
The extra $1 for tracking doesn't seem so bad right now.
Say it.
We need your help.
Have a seat. In the prank game, rule number 1, never trust anyone. Now let's prank this thing up to 11. Right?
Sports is like no other battle.
No other.
Not like a test you take in school.
It's real life, people. We're doing great.
Once you're in the arena, you either win or lose. Because in crunch time, when the going gets tough, the tough get a note from their parents, a therapy animal, a do-over, asthma. No! The tough get going. Now who's ready to get going and win that game tomorrow?
We are?
Come on! We are!
When it comes to pranks, nothing is more important than the element of surprise. Now get me a drink.
I bet she shook up the can.
I saw that one coming.
Did ya?
Winning or losing comes down to one moment. So you need to be on your toes at all times. I'm a monkey except after 3. You guys are ready.
In the prank game, you need to know where your enemies are at all times. Because you never know when you're about to get pranked.
I don't see anyone.
I saw that one coming.
Oh, why'd you do that?
Classic. Kick me.
You guys are ready.